Augusto Boal said, "Theater is the art of making people see themselves in one another. Through theater, we can inspire each other and find inspiration in others. We can build confidence. We have the opportunity to build connections through community. And theater has the power to connect people from many backgrounds, cultures, abilities, ages, and stages in their life." Spotlight Theater Workshop, we're dedicated to creating theater opportunities for individuals of all ages and abilities in a space where diverse opinions and community engagement and connections are not only valued, but vital to our artistic expression. These values are at the core of the work we do in Greater Minnesota. Whether we're in our own community of Willmar or other areas across the state, our belief is that through theater, people have many opportunities to truly find their light, to find their gifts. And we know that gifts can look different from person to person. Somebody's talents may be in acting or performing on stage, may be more centered on singing or dancing. Maybe somebody finds their place because they're really gifted at drama, or maybe they're better at comedy, or maybe just maybe there's, a little bit of both mixed in there. Someone's theater talents may be in stagecraft, prop construction, art, puppetry, the art of mask making, or in technical theater and behind the scenes work. Maybe it's in directing, choreography, costume design, makeup design. But no matter the gift or the area of theater you're passionate about, that you're interested in, there's definitely a place for you at Spotlight Theater Workshop. And these theater opportunities that we provide here, no matter your interest, background, ability, skill level, if you're nervous to meet new people, we're here for you then too. And we're ready to support you because we know through theater, community connections, those community and those connections are built. Friendships are built. And you see, that's the power of creating something magical together. That's the power of creating theater together.